Hello, I am Dr. Manjiri Varsankar, Director, Bhide Hospital Test Tube Baby Center, Navi Peth, Pune. Today, we are going to talk about a very important subject, blocked fallopian tubes and IVF technology. So, to understand that, let us first study the reproductive system in detail. In females, we have two ovaries which are adjoining the fallopian tubes, and in the center we have the uterus. In certain females, patients come to us saying that they cannot bear a child, and after a close examination and after certain investigations like a HSG X-ray which is done between day 5 to day 10 of the menstrual cycle, we get to know that one or both the fallopian tubes are blocked. To confirm this, the patient is subjected to a diagnostic hysterolaparoscopy, which is a test to be done under anesthesia, and we get to know whether one tube or both the tubes are blocked. In case only one fallopian tube is blocked, the patient need not worry and can still conceive with basic technology like an intrauterine insemination or IUI. However, unfortunately, if both the tubes are blocked, it may be because of certain diseases like tuberculosis, chlamydia, or certain recurrent infections. In such patients though, they have a technology which is called as IVF or ICSI, which may help them sail through artificially and make a child for them. So basically, in any IVF or ICSI or test tube baby technology, the fallopian tubes are bypassed. We do not require the fallopian tubes. So what we do basically is we make eggs in both the ovaries, and these eggs are collected outside the body through the vagina with the help of specialized operations, and after this the husband's sperm are fertilized with the eggs which are taken out of the body with the technology which is known as ICSI or ICSI, or may it be IVF, and then the resulting baby is put inside the uterus of the same mother, and hence she can conceive. So my friends, if you are a patient with one or both fallopian tubes blocked, do not worry. There is a technology which will help you to assist your reproduction in the form of IVF or ICSI, and it shall still make you a mother in spite of blocked tubes. Thank you.